We Buy Ugly Houses and Pretty Houses Too is a real estate investment company that specializes in purchasing residential properties in any condition, from fixer-uppers to beautifully maintained homes. They offer a hassle-free selling process and provide fair cash offers, making it easy for homeowners to sell their properties quickly. Buying homes in any condition refers to the practice of purchasing properties regardless of their state of disrepair, damage, or neglect. This allows for the opportunity to renovate or rebuild the property to increase its value. Our nationwide coverage extends to areas with a minimum population of 75,000, ensuring that we reach a wide audience across the country. Showcasing success stories and transformation of ugly houses into beautiful homes can inspire others to see the potential in their own properties. Highlighted potential increase in property value through strategic marketing and staging. In Undefined, the approach to pretty houses often focuses on aesthetic appeal and architectural features, while the value proposition centers on the quality of construction, amenities, and location. We believe in empowering viewers to explore various options for selling their homes, whether it's through a traditional real estate agent, online platforms, or auctions. If you're thinking of selling your home, why not contact us for an offer? Our experienced team can provide you with a fair and competitive offer for your property. Don't hesitate to reach out and explore your options with us.